it's me again, Adam. I bet you remember me from the How to Measure videos. Now, before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your shutters from DIY Blinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 20 to 30 minutes for this installation. And for large shutters, especially those which are off the ground, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean.
Then, scan the QR code on your product box. This will take you to the DIY Blinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page.
If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390.
Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a gap seal applicator gun, a spirit level, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder.
Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you should be fine to start. However, if you're drilling into plaster, you have two options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs or battens are. The second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your shutters to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Once you're 100% clear, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIY Blinds a call before going any further.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a surfing expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIY Blinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your shutters. So are you ready to be onboarded? Lay your shutter panels the correct way up, like this. Make sure your panel hinges are on the correct sides for your chosen panel layout. If you have 3 or more panels, you might also have one of these T-posts. Grab your brackets and attach them to the top and bottom of each T-post and drill into your recess. Put your first panel into position with the bracket on the inside edge of your recess, making sure there's an even gap between your panel and recess. Now, take 2 of the screws provided and drill one into both the top and bottom brackets in the middle of the oval opening. Check that your shutter panel opens and closes as smoothly as me on my favourite board. If the panel isn't level, loosen the screws and lift or drop the panel slightly. If you need to move it more than the screws will allow, take out the screws and reposition the panel. Once your panel is level, drill in the rest of the screws for the brackets, and repeat these steps for every panel. Next, lay the pieces of light block on the inside of your recess behind each shutter panel. These go all the way around your recess. Check again that you can open and close your shutter panels easily. Screw each light block into your recess with the screws from your kit. Next, screw the magnet catches onto the front of the light blocks. Finally, grab the stickers in your custom kit and cover each visible screw. Should look swell. Your shutters should now be installed. They should look as beautiful as a Hawaiian surf break at sunrise. If you're ever drowning in confusion, just call us on 1300 918 390.